Hey, what's up? It's Leah from Fourthwall. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how you can set up your own alerts with Stream Elements. Staying connected with your audience is super important with streaming, and interacting with them is like the most fun part of streaming. So setting up alerts is essential. I'm going to show you how to do it with Stream Elements because Stream Elements is my personal favorite platform for alerts, and there's so much more that you can do. So I highly recommend it to all Twitch streamers, but you can do this with any type of platform. Also, these alerts won't only show up in your Twitch streams. Because of the way that they're made, you can actually use this for YouTube, TikTok, etc. And let's get into it. So in case you don't know, Twitch alerts are an audible and visual alert that pops up whenever someone engages with your stream. You can set what you want the alerts to be for, but the common ones are followers, subscriptions, bits, and donations. To start, you're going to head to streamelements.com. From there, you'll be able to select a platform to log in with, and then once you're logged in, you can head to the Elements tab. You'll click onto New Element, and once you do this, you'll see you can start from scratch or browse the gallery. If you browse the gallery, you'll see pre-made alerts, widgets, themes, and more. If you'd like to do the pre-made route, find one you like and select it. From here, you can customize however you'd like. As you can see, you can edit all different types of alerts: follows, subs, bits, and tips. On the right-hand side, you can change anything you want about the alert: the video or photo, sound, and alert text. Make sure you play around with this and make the alert feel really cool and true to you. You can pick a sound from your favorite game, or it can just be a nice sound that you like, or it could literally be an audio clip of you during a stream in a funny moment. You also might have a font that you really like. My personal favorite is Fredoka 1. I use it on pretty much every alert. Some really fun ideas for alerts could include jump scare alerts. These are super popular, especially during the Halloween season. Basically, a really scary sound will play, you'll hear it, you'll get scared, and your chat will laugh at you. The best way to do this is to set this to be triggered by a specific bit amount or donation amount. Definitely experiment with different sound effects for different donation or bit amounts. You can even create a section in your Twitch panels that will tell your audience what bit amount or tip amount will trigger what sound alert. Once you've got all your ideas sorted, it's time to go into your broadcasting software. I personally use OBS, but this pretty much works in any streaming software. Once you're in your streaming software, you'll add a new browser source. From here, you can name it whatever you want and then just paste your URL in, and then you're all set. One really cool thing about Fourthwall is that if you have a Fourthwall shop or a membership set up with Fourthwall, you can set up alerts for when someone purchases something from your shop or someone subscribes to your memberships. The alerts will also work if someone gifts a product to your chat or gifts a membership to your chat. And you can actually customize them using Stream Elements or Streamlabs. I'll link to one of our articles down below that goes over the entire setup process in detail so you can set up your Fourthwall alerts. Well, I hope this walkthrough was very helpful and gave you some fun ideas for how you can engage with your Twitch community using alerts. Thanks so much for hanging out, and stay tuned for some more creator tips. I'll see you guys later.